Hi, I'm Craig Phillips. I'd like to introduce you to a very exciting, award-winning fireplace manufacturer called Bespoke Fireplaces, which are one of the UK's leading custom design suppliers of premium electric fires to a network of stockers throughout the UK. Bespoke products are fast becoming a must-have product for homeowners and stockers nationwide that are looking for the best when it comes to the latest technology in flame effect electric fires. Bespoke electrical fireplaces offering over 10,000 different combinations in one fire, with various flame colours, speeds and brightness, as well as a wide range of fuel beds, all adaptable for your own requirements and preferences. The Bespoke fire range comes in various different sizes, and having the peace of mind knowing you're dealing with an award-winning manufacturer that offers full warranty on all of their products. So if you're looking for a premium electric fire that's completely bespoke to you, please visit the website bespokefireplace.co.uk.